Hi everyone, welcome today on Friday, last working day of the week on November the 18th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Light Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 star Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them, yes. And what's the news of today? Well, let me see. What's the news of today? I believe the coming weekend, Sunday, will be the last Grand Prix race. Formula 1 race of the season. So it will be held in Abu Dhabi. Yes, the last race, Formula 1 race of the season. Yeah, I know Max Verstappen will be world champion. Anyway, let me start with the puzzles. Yes. First one is a Sudoku Light, and this will be number 5499. 5499. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku in the additional, it will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we'll see if this is really a 1 star. Almost 3 minutes past. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Which number can I pick? 87666. Well, 11. 554444. Let me see. Yeah, 411. How about? Let me see. 33333. Come on. This is taking too long. 88. Haha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in the last row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Shoot me down. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Oh, wait. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So no row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then, how about, let me see. Three. Okay. Three missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this big square, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 7. Alright. 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Okay. 2, 7, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Let me mark those. 2, 4, 7. That means we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes of 4. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3 and a 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a 4 in one of those 3 boxes in this column. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Alright. Okay. 7, 5, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the third row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5. Let me think. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Okay. Then 1. How about 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, second column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. Okay. 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these two boxes here. 6 in the first column, so no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 in this big square. It should be there. Alright. Two numbers left in this row. Four numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, and only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then. How about. Yeah. Thinking. Ay. 4. Ay. 4. 4. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. Then. 4. 4. Okay. 4. Yeah. Come on. 2. 3, 4. 4. 3, 4, and a 1. 3, 4, and a 1. Ay. Come on. 1. It's taking too long. 2, 7, 3, 4, and 8. 4 and 8. Well, here we have 4 missing numbers. Well, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, and 8. And look, we have a 4, 7, and 8 in this column. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3 then. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. I've marked those two boxes with 3 and a 7. This box should be a 7 then. And that box should be a 3. Alright. Done. We have a 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 3. How about? Ooh, 8 and 4. Seven. How about the seven? 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only place left for the 7. Shoot me there. And we have a pair, 1 and a 7 in this column, the 1 and the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no a 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 247, 247. Then 172. Can be sure there. Do we have all the 3s? No. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes and there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. Another pair in this big square. Other numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 4 in the first column. 4 in the second column. So third column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left here. Well. Let me wait. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Yes. 1 and 7, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 2 is missing. I believe the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, I talked too much in the beginning because 3 minutes. So, well. Let me give this 2 stars then. Yeah. It's not really a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzle, regular puzzle, a Sudoku heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.